Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Perhaps you've had a long day, or maybe you're someone who finds peace in the vastness of space, in questions larger than ourselves. Either way, this journey is for you. Tonight, we'll explore 50 beautiful truths about our home galaxy, the Milky Way. You don't need to remember them all. You don't need to stay awake. Just let the words wash over you like gentle waves and allow yourself to drift wherever feels natural. The Milky Way has been turning in space for over 13 billion years, a vast spiral of light and shadow, holding secrets we're only beginning to understand. And as we explore together, let your breathing slow, your muscles soften, and your mind grow quiet. If these peaceful explorations help you unwind, consider liking and subscribing. It helps others find their way here too, one restful night at a time. Now, let's begin our gentle journey through the stars. Fact 1. The Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. The number almost defies imagination. Somewhere between 100 billion and 400 billion stars call our galaxy home. Some astronomers believe the number may be even higher. Each one a sun, many with their own planets, their own stories written in light and gravity. From where we stand, we can see only the tiniest fraction with our eyes alone. But they're all out there, turning slowly through the dark, part of an assembly so vast that counting them would take lifetimes. And still, they represent just one galaxy among trillions in the observable universe. We are small, yes, but we are also part of something magnificent. Fact 2. Our galaxy is shaped like a barred spiral. The Milky Way doesn't spiral out evenly from its center like a pinwheel. Instead, it has a thick bar of stars cutting through its middle, with spiral arms curling outward from the ends of that bar. This makes it a barred spiral galaxy, one of the most common types in the universe. The bar itself is enormous, stretching about 27,000 light-years from end to end. It rotates slowly, pulling stars and gas into graceful curves as it turns. Our sun lies outside this bar, tucked into one of the spiral arms, orbiting at a safe distance from the galactic center. From within, we cannot see the bar directly, but astronomers have mapped it using infrared light, peering through the dust to reveal the hidden architecture of our home. Fact 3. The Milky Way is about 13.6 billion years old. Our galaxy formed not long after the Big Bang itself, during the universe's earliest chapters. In those ancient times, there were no heavy elements yet, no carbon or oxygen, just hydrogen and helium filling the void. The first stars were born from these simple gases, massive and short-lived. When they exploded as supernovae, they scattered the first metals into space, seeding the galaxy with the building blocks of planets and life. The Milky Way you see today is the product of billions of years of evolution, collision, and quiet growth. It has watched the universe expand and cool. It has seen galaxies merge and stars ignite, and it continues, even now, to change. Fact 4. We live about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. Our solar system orbits far from the crowded heart of the Milky Way in a relatively calm region known as the Orion Arm. This distance is fortunate. Closer to the center, stars are packed more densely and gravitational interactions are more frequent. Near the core, radiation from the supermassive black hole and nearby supernovae would make life far more challenging. But here, in the quiet suburbs of the galaxy, conditions are stable. Stars are spaced comfortably apart. The environment is calm. It's a good place to call home, far enough from danger, but still connected to the great turning wheel of light. Fact 5. The Milky Way is part of the local group. Our galaxy doesn't drift through space alone. It belongs to a small cluster of galaxies called the local group, bound together by gravity. This group contains more than 50 galaxies, though most are small and faint. The three largest members are the Milky Way, Andromeda, and Triangulum. Together, they dominate the group, while dozens of dwarf galaxies orbit around them like moons around planets. The local group spans about 10 million light-years across, a small neighborhood in the vastness of space. And within this neighborhood, the galaxies dance slowly around one another, pulled by invisible threads of gravity. Fact 6. The Milky Way and Andromeda will merge in about 4.5 billion years. High above us in the night sky, the Andromeda galaxy shines faintly, a spiral much like our own. And it is moving toward us, pulled by gravity across the emptiness between. In about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will collide. It will be slow, elegant, and inevitable. Their spiral arms will stretch and warp,